So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, and then we can right hand side, this is search button. Just enter the model number of the motherboard and then enter H610M S2H. Then you can see this is your motherboard and just click it. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is you require Windows 10, 11, 10, 32 bit also there. So guys, all the both operating system installations process same. So select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 driver also. So first you can see this is audio driver and this is total size, and just click to download. If you click after that, you can see this is start downloading. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. So open. Then this is extract driver, so double click. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it will take some time. It automatically close means this is installed. क्यों खाली स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है क्या खाली स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है लाओ so then close it, then chipset driver. So first try this one and click to download. So completed, then open chipset drivers to open. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. And then close it. Then scroll down, try this one, install INF installations. Just click to download. And it is done, and then open. Double click to exe and then click on yes. So it is closed automatically means this is installed, and then close it. LAN driver, you can see this is guys 3 LAN driver pre-installed. If you are facing some issues in the LAN, so install this one. If you have the fresh installation, so you can install that. So try to always latest one, this one, and I already downloaded. So this one, plan driver, and after that double click. When you click on the download button, it will start downloading, and then is required administrator rights to install. After that, extract to your system. Now this is installing. It is closed, means it is installed. VGA driver. So this is Intel display driver. Okay, so same, you can just click on the download. After download, it will start downloading. So same thing, I already downloaded graphic driver and double click to launch. Then click on yes. After that, extract to your system to installations driver. So now you can see this is installing. It is closed automatic, means this is installed. Close it.